welcome to the class of value education, right? Today we will study about being grateful, chapter number 6 of your value education. Okay, so let's read the story. Topic of the story is thanking a friend. I will read it and explain. Niranjan and Ajit were friends. Ajit's birthday was a few days away. Niranjan was very excited. He had saved his pocket money for a long time so that he could buy Ajit the pencil box he liked. The night before Ajit's birthday, Niranjan slept late. He wrapped Ajit's gift up in a sheet of shiny, colorful paper. He also wrote a nice note in the card he had bought for Ajit. See, Niranjan and Ajit were best friends. So, what they are showing that Ajit's birthday was only few days away, right? Ajit ka birthday aa raha tha. Niranjan was very excited as he was his friend. So what he did, he saved all the money that his parents used to give for him for his pocket money. Okay, so he saved that money and got the pencil box that Ajit used to like. ओके, सो अजित को जो पेंसिल बॉक्स पसंद होता है उसकी फेवरेट पेंसिल बॉक्स निरंजन ने खरीद ली फॉर हिज बर्थडे गिफ्ट. नाउ अजित का बर्थडे था, उसकी एक रात पहले निरंजन स्लेप्ट लेट, बहुत ही लेट सोया. एंड व्हाट ही डिड, ही रैप्ड द अजित्स गिफ्ट इन अ ब्यूटिफुल पेपर, शाइनी एंड कलरफुल पेपर, एंड ही ऑल्सो रोट अ बर्थडे नोट, ओके, विद द कार्ड. ठीक है, कार्ड जो उसने गिफ्ट में दिया उसके अंदर उसने बहुत प्यारी सी नोट लिखी फॉर Ajit. On the day of his birthday, Ajit was very happy. His friends at school were standing around him to wish him. Many of them had given him presents too. Niranjan gave his gift to Ajit. Ajit took it from him and put it on his desk with the other presents. Now, Ajit's birthday was there. He was very happy because it was his birthday. So what he did, when he was at school, everyone wished him happy birthday because it was his birthday, and some of them also got some presents for him. Niranjan was Ajit's very good friend. He also bought gift for Ajit, and Ajit took it from him and kept it on the desk with other presents that were present there. Okay. Ajit then opened all the presents. He thanked all other children but forgot to thank Niranjan. This made Niranjan sad and he went back to his desk. अजित ने क्या किया, अजित ने सभी बच्चों से गिफ्ट ले लिए. He thanked everyone but he forgot to thank Niranjan. निरंजन को उसने थैंक यू नहीं बोला, and because of that Niranjan was so sad. When the teacher came to class, she saw Niranjan looking sad. She called him to her table and asked him in a low voice, "What's wrong, Niranjan?" Ajit didn't even thank me for the birthday gift, said Niranjan. The teacher had an idea. She taught them a special lesson that day. It was a poem. So when teacher came for class, जब उनकी जो teacher class में आई, what she asked Niranjan that why he was sad, because Ajit didn't thank him for his present. That's why Niranjan was sad. So teacher asked him that why he was sad. So Ajit said that Niranjan said that Ajit did thank me for the birthday gift he bought for him. यानी अजित के लिए निरंजन जो गिफ्ट लेकर आया उसके लिए अजित ने उसे थैंक यू भी नहीं बोला, right? So what teacher thought? He thought of teaching them a poem. Teacher ने सोचा that let's teach children a beautiful poem, and that poem was, hearts like doors will open with ease to very very little keys. Don't forget that two of these are thank you and please. That means when you are saying thank you to everyone or when you are saying please to everyone, everyone will be very happy. Their heart will be happy, they will be happy. मतलब वो बहुत ही खुश हो जाएंगे जब आप thank you या please बोलते हैं. Okay, so you should always use these two words, that is thank you and please. Suddenly, Ajit remembered that he had not said thank you to Niranjan for the gift. He felt ashamed of himself. During the lunch break, he went over to Niranjan and said, "The pencil box is beautiful. I really like it. Thank you." Niranjan smiled with joy. "I am so happy that you like it," he said. When Ajit saw the poem, when he heard the poem, he remembered that he did not thank Niranjan, है ना, उसको गिफ्ट के लिए उसने थैंक यू तो बोला ही नहीं था। उसके बाद निरंजन को लगा, ही फेल्ट वेरी सॉरी, ही फेल्ट वेरी अशेम्ड दैट निरंजन है, उसने उसके लिए इतनी अच्छी गिफ्ट लाया, स्टिल अजित डिड नॉट थैंक हिम। So when there was lunch break, he went to Niranjan and said that the pencil box was so beautiful, he loved it and thank you so much. So Niranjan said that I'm so happy, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that you liked it. Okay, so I hope you understood from this chapter what we learned. We learned that we should always use thank you and please whenever someone is doing something for you. Okay, that will be all. Thank you.